Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 S450 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 3-liter V6 twin turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A nut brown black leather interior, pano sunroof. This one also does come with the warmth and comfort package, which is going to give you front and rear heated and cooled seats. Coming around back, we've got our S450 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set at all season and regular floor mats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the driver's assistance package, which is going to give you an active blind spot assist, Distronic Plus. Here are the buttons to activate that. We've got also included is the Premium 1 package with Burmeister sound system, a gloss burl walnut wood trim, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel. Popping in, we've got a touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a burl walnut leather steering wheel, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, hard keys for media display. This S450 has 34,220 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this S450 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.